students, I am Surabhi Gupta and today we are discussing class 9th topic, that is linear equations in two variables, and we are going to do graphs related to the question. So the first question in front of us is x plus y equals to 4 and you have to make a graph for this equation. How you have to make a graph? Whenever this type of question comes, first you have to plot the points. You have to find out the points. And how you have to find out the points? Put different values of x to get different values of y. For example, if I put x 0, you can put any value but try to take x and y 0 once, so that we are able to know that how the graph line will goes. This you get to know till we move further. First take x 0. If I put x 0, that means 0 plus y is 4 and y is 4. That means when x is 0, y is 4. This is your first point. This is your x, this is your y. We write first x on the first point and y on the second point. This is known as your abscissa and this is known as your ordinate. Okay. Now put y 0. If y is 0, then x is 4 because x plus 0 is 4. So x comes out to be 4. That means the next point is this. Take x as 1. 1 when goes from this side to this side, it will become minus 1. So y comes out to be 4 minus 1, 3. So x is 1, y is 3. Next, you can put x as 2. Take x as 2. When 2 from this side moves to this side, minus 2. So y becomes 4 minus 2, that means 2. So the next point is 2 and 2. So in this way we get 4 points and you have to make a table like this. This is your x point, this is your y point. When x is 0, y is 4. When x is 4, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 3. And when x is 2, y is 2. So in this way you have to make a table that these are the points with us. After that, these points come, you have to take a graph paper and plot the points on that. How you have to make a number line? Take a straight line. This is your x-axis. This is your y-axis. This is your origin where x and y both are 0. This is your 1. This is your 2, 3, 4. Take the points on equal distances. Okay. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am only taking the positive ones because the values are positive. Now, plot the points. X 0, y 4. Y is 4. This is y-axis. Y is 4, and on this line, x is 0. So this is your 0, 4 point. Similarly, x is 4. X is 4 on this point and on this line y is 0. So this is your 4, 0 point. That means the line will go like this, joining from this point to this point. x1, y3. X is 1, y is 3. So the point will come somewhere here. This is x is 1, y is 3. X is 2, y is 2. So the point will come over here. x2, Okay, now take x2. Y comes out to be 6. Right? Now, what else I can take? That is sufficient? Okay. Now, take the y-axis, take the x-axis. This is your y-axis, this is your x-axis, this is your origin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now x is 0, y is 0. This is the point. That means the line will move from here. x1, y3, x1, y3. So the point will come out to be here. 1 and 3. x2, y6, x2, y6. So the point will come out to be here. So the line will go somewhere like that. Okay, and this is your line for y is equals to 3x. In this way, you will get the line. Next is the last question. X minus y is 2. Take x0. If x is 0, that means this minus sign goes to this side. Y is minus 2. This is your point. If y is 0, x2. This is your second point. If x is 1, then 1 minus y is 2. This 1 negative minus y, 2 minus 1, y is minus 1. That means x1, y minus 1. Okay, now take y as 1. If y is 1, then minus 1 give x as 3. x3, y1. Plot the points on the table. Make a table. Plot these points. This is x, this is y. When x is 0, y is minus 2. When x is 2, y is 0. When x is 1, y is minus 1. And when x is 3, y is 1. So, in this way, we have got the points. Now, what we have to do? We just have to plot these points on the graph. Take this as y-axis. Take this as x-axis. Right? This is your origin. Now, we have to take negative values also because in the points we have got the negative values. Okay, this is positive x, positive y, negative x. Okay, now x0, y minus 2. Y is minus 2, here x is 0. So 0 minus 2. Now, your x is 0. X is 0 on y-axis, so this will be your point. Where x is 0 and y is minus 2. Next, x2, x is 2, y is 0. This will be your point. x2, y is 0. x1, y is minus 1. x1, y is minus 1. This will be your point. This will be your 2 and 0. X3, y is 1. X3, y is 1. So the line will go somewhere like this. And this is your line for x minus y is 2. So in this way you can solve multiple questions related to graphs. I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you very much.